Hello everyone. Today's topic is heart tissue injuries. Earlier we are going through with sports injury classifications, cause and remedies. In this we have internal injuries, soft tissues injuries, contusion, strain, sprain, laceration, abscession, buries. Then internal injuries we have bones injuries, fractures, joint injuries, dislocation of joint. Now today's topic is heart tissue injury. Injury to the skeleton system are called heart tissues injury. जो हमारी हड्डियों में जो इंजरी होती है उनको हम बोलते हैं हम हार्ट टिश्यूज इंजरी, राइट? उनको हम बोलते हैं हार्ट टिश्यूज इंजरीज. दे इंक्लूड फ्रैक्चर और डिसलोकेशन. अब टाइप्स ऑफ बोन्स, डिसलोकेशन ऑफ बोन्स एंड फ्रैक्चर. हार्ट टिश्यूज इंजरी में दो टाइप्स होते हैं, डिसलोकेशन ऑफ बोन्स एंड फ्रैक्चर. डिसलोकेशन ऑफ बोन्स में क्या होता है, बोन्स अपने पर्टिकुलर प्लेस से डिसलोकेट हो जाती हैं, हिल जाती हैं. और फ्रैक्चर में क्या होता है, हेयर लाइन फ्रैक्चर या कुछ क्रैक आ जाना. इफेक्टिव ऑर्गन्स क्या होते हैं उसके, बोन्स एंड जॉइंट्स, राइट? दीज आर द इफेक्टिव ऑर्गन्स. रीजन, उसके रीजंस क्या होते हैं? हाई इम्पैक्ट स्पोर्ट्स इंजरीज, फोर्सफुल एंड अननेचुरल मूवमेंट, राइट? देन इसमें आता है फ्रैक्चर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फ्रैक्चर, breaking of bones is commonly called fracture. A mild fracture is also as a hairline fracture. अब bones injury में क्या होता है? bones injury में we have bones injuries. bones injuries में simple fracture, compound fracture, complicated fracture, green stick fracture, communicated fracture, impacted fracture, stretch fracture, transverse fracture and oblique fractures, right? ये टाइप्स हैं हमारे पास बोन्स फ्रैक्चर के, बोन्स इंजरी में जो है. सबसे पहले आता है सिंपल फ्रैक्चर. सिंपल फ्रैक्चर में क्या होगा, when the bones dislocate when the bone dislocate without any wound, किसी भी घाव से बोन डिसलोकेट हो, बिना घाव के डिसलोकेट हो जाना, उसको इट इज कॉल्ड सिंपल फ्रैक्चर, राइट? इट इज कॉल्ड सिंपल फ्रैक्चर. देन this kind of dislocation can usually be caused due to slipping or collision with someone. This kind of fracture heal naturally in few weeks, right? This is a simple fracture as you see. Now second is compound fracture. Compound fracture, a compound fracture is a fracture which there an open wound or break in the skin near the site of broken bone. You can see here स्किन भी फट गई है और ये स्किन भी फट गई है और ही वो भी टूट गई है, राइट? दिस इज द मेन, you can see here and you can see here. This wound is caused by figment of bone breaking through the skin at the moment of injury. This is compound fracture. Next is complicated fracture. अब complicated fracture में क्या होता है? A complicated fracture is a fracture in which structures surrounding the fracture are injured. There may be damage in the veins, arteries, or nerves, and there may also be an injury to the lining of the bone. Is usually happen high jump and pole jump players. Then green stick. Green stick. This is green stick. You can see here green stick. Green stick, it's a small slender crack in the bone. This usually occur in children less than 12 years of age because their bones are more flexible than adult bones. This is a green stick. You can see here this is a green stick fracture. Communicated fracture. अब communicated fracture में क्या होता है? When a bone is shattered, this is communicated fracture. टुकड़े टुकड़ों में हो जाना. Into more than two pieces. This type of complicated fracture are called communicated fracture. It can occur to player in cycle or motorcycles. Then impacted fracture. An impacted fracture occurs when the broken end of the bone are jammed together by the force of injury. This is a impacted. You can see here this is a impacted fracture. You can see here this is a impacted fracture. ये jam हो गया ये. By the force of injury. Then stress fracture. Stretch fracture में क्या होता है? In stretch fracture, the thin crack develop from the respective force, which is usually caused by overuse. Most stress fracture occur in the bones of the foot and lower leg, which carry the weight of the body. It is usually a very painful fracture. It's occur mainly in long race, basketball and weightlifting, etc. Then transverse fracture. A transverse fracture is specially type of broken bone where the break it is right angle to the long plane of the bone. It usually occur in the upper and middle part of the spine and also in a lower back. That is, you can see here joint. Oblique bones fracture. Oblique bones fracture is characterized by the break that is curved or at an angle of the bone. It usually occurs in long bones like humor and femur. This is, you can see here, joint injury. A dislocation of major injury dislocation can be occurred to contact sports such as football and hockey and sports which fall or are common such as downhill skiing, gymnastics and volleyball. Basketball players and football players also commonly dislocate joints in their finger and hands by accidentally strikes the ball, the ground or another player. A hard blow to the joint during the motor vehicle accident and landing on the obstructed arm during the fall can be other common cause of dislocation. Right? Example of dislocation. Example of dislocation is dislocation of lower jaw. जबड़े का dislocation. A dislocation in lower jaw is occasionally caused when chin collider with a hard object, but it is a typically caused by opening the mouth excessive wide. Second is dislocation of shoulder joint. This is a major accident. A dislocated shoulder is an injury which your upper arm. This is dislocation of shoulders. You can see here. upper arm bone put on up of the cup shape socket. That's a part of your shoulder blade. The shoulder is the body of the most mobile joint, which make a susceptible and to the dislocation. Shoulder dislocation is a common injury in contact sports such as football or hockey, and in sports that may involve falls such as downhill skiing, gymnastics, and volleyballs. A hard blow, a hard blow to the shoulder is an common source of dislocation. Dislocation on hip joint. This is hip joint. You can see here. This is the main dislocation of hip joint. Hip dislocation occur when the head of the thigh bone femur, this is femur, you can see here, this is femur, is force of its socket in the hip bones. It typically takes a major force of dislocation in hip. You can see here normal hip joint and hip, you can see here normal, this is, and this is pelvic joint. This area main especially this area is specially this area is specially dislocation of wrist joint. Any kind of traumatic injury to the hand and arm can result of dislocation wrist. Common cause of these injuries include high impact sports, sort such as football and hockey, or breaking a fall with the hand. It can be very, very painful.